today, we're going to continue our discussion last meeting. Kasi di ba nakadalawang example lang tayo sa unang video na in-upload ko. So ngayon tutuloy natin. Okay, so the third example, if the discriminant or the value of b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, same with number 2, but the difference of these two, the discriminant is not perfect square number. So dapat alam nyo kung ano yung mga perfect square numbers at not perfect square number. Okay, so this time, magbibigay ako ng example ng number 3. So when it is greater than 0 and not perfect square, the nature of roots will be irrational and not equal. Hindi pareho, hindi sila equal, yung value ng x or ng variable na ginamit sa quadratic equation, magkaiba at irrational. Okay, example, this example is for discriminant number 3. Okay, given the quadratic equation, x squared plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0, we're going to identify once again the value of a, b, c. Okay, what do you think is the value of a? Okay, it's 1. This one is 6 and our c is 3. Okay, after getting the values of a, b, c, now it's about time to substitute this value to our discriminant. So we are going to make this 6 squared because our b is 6 minus 4 times the product of a and c. A is 1 and c is equal to 3. Okay, then after that, we're going to simplify c squared, which is 36 minus 4 times 1 times 3 is equal to what? Yes, it's equal to 12. And then finding the difference of 36 and 12, that is positive 24. Okay, this positive 24 is greater than 0. And it is not perfect square number. So therefore, this will be irrational and not equal for the solution of this quadratic equation. Pag sinolve nyo yun, ang makuha yung value ng x ay dalawa. Isang, hindi sila the same. Hindi sila equal. At saka magiging irrational. Next is number 4. For number 4, our discriminant is less than 0 or negative integers. So lahat ng negative integers, not real numbers, ang magiging ang kalalabasan ng nature of roots niya. Okay, so giving an example number 4. If the given is x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so i-shortcut lang natin sa formula. Our b here is 2. So this will be 2 squared, galing doon sa formula. Minus 4 times a times c. Our a is 1 and our c is 5. Okay, the result of 2 squared is 4 because multiplying 2 by itself is 4. Okay, minus 4 times 1 times 5, that is equal to, okay, 20. So 4 minus 20 is negative 16. Mas malaki kasi 20. Okay, so negative 16 is a number less than 0 or negative integer. Kapag negative ang nakuha natin sa discriminant, not real numbers. Bakit, Sir Ernie? Kasi di ba sa formula ng quadratic equation, kinukuha natin yung square root ng b squared minus 4ac. Okay, pag sinubstitute natin yan sa ganito, magiging square root of negative 16. Kapag ganito ang naging solution ng equation, nag-negative siya, kinuha ang square root niya, therefore, it is imaginary number or not real number. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understand this lesson, the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Okay, we're using discriminant, sir. Bakit kinakailangan pa natin kuhanin ng discriminant? It is one way to make sure kung yung solution ng equation ay tama. Kasi sinasabi ng discriminant kung ano yung kalalabasan. So, dapat alam natin ito. So, that's all for today. Sa susunod naman nating lesson, pagkuha ng sum and product ng quadratic equation. Kaya-kaya niyo yan mga bata. Basta makinig kayo mabuti. Nandito lang si Teacher Ernie para turuan kayo. That's all for today, and thank you!